What are we building today, Jimmy?
Drive shaft loop.
We're attempting to build a drive shaft loop.
Yeah.
Not sure if this 1 1/4 inch is going to fit in the car or not, but we're going to give her a shot.
We're going to try it.
I'm not sure how well you can see it, but you get the idea. About time to set this thing back on the ground. Once we get that done, we got to fix the toe on this thing because these tires kind of look like Jimmy's eyes. They're both pointed in. Shims on here. Caster camber done. Shoot, we'll be going for a drive this weekend, huh, Mickey?
That's right.
There's some science going on here, huh, Jimmy?
All of it.
Trying to get this thing somewhat straight. All right, so yesterday we took this thing for a quick drive and it was making some racket, and we're thinking it's the rear end that was doing that. So we got it pulled apart, as you can see. We're going to change the gear in it anyways, but this is what came out. It's supposed to be a 410, but I'm thinking it's probably lower geared than that. What do you think, Jimmy? We'll find out.
I'm here, yeah, and we'll find out.
We're going to get this tore apart, see what we got going on, because the car was making some pretty nasty sounds. This thing only had like half a quart in it. Maybe, if that.
Down in the jug.
Yeah, this is all that came out of it. It's like not much. But yeah, we're going to swap this thing to a 370 anyways, since we're going to street drive this car. 370 be a little bit more forgiving. Won't be turning 4,500 going down the highway. Right, Jimmy?
Yeah. Everything in order.
Try to not separate everything.
Yeah.
Well, Jimmy ain't playing around now, boys.
It is coming now.
He gonna get it done, son. So if you didn't know, you can count this gear, count the ring gear, and then divide the two, and it'll give you your gear ratio. What you coming up with, Jimmy?
485.
Way too low for what we're doing, ain't it?
Yeah.
That ain't gonna work.
If it was an NA
Yeah.
deal, it would be fine. But
Yeah, naturally aspirated it would work, but for this old stock stuff here, it ain't gonna work. Is that how it goes?
Yeah.
You fixing it? So we like to put a little bit of silicone on this washer. Kind of keeps it from leaking, don't it, Jimmy?
yeah.
You get sidetracked,
Yeah,
bud?
there are people talking. The kids coming up here.
Yeah, the losers are back. Do I hear losers?
Sounds like it.
I hear a loser. Where's the other loser?
They're all three up there.
Loser. Loser. What are we working on today, Mick?
Something out of the norm.
Some cowboy shit. Doing some bearing replacements. Ugh. Jimmy's in the process of setting the lash on this ring and pinion here. Has it got the right ugga-duggas?
I ain't torn down yet.
I'm in the clink, clink, clink.
It's getting there.
That's how we set lash around here.
We don't got the special gauges, but we do it by feel.
That's race car way.
Yeah.
So if you're setting one of these up for like a racing application, that's about how you want it. Just, I don't know if they could hear that, but just a little bit of slack in there. You don't want it too tight.
You get too tight, that's when it wants to lock up on you.
Huh, yeah, we had that happen before.
We've had that in the past.
Not with the 9-inch stuff, but 10 bolt GM stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I got faith in you, Mickey. Oh yeah.
Right there.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, hold it if you can.
Beautiful. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. We've been fighting, trying to get this rear end in this car straight, setting preload, all that good stuff. But on the next one, we should be more on this hot rod right here.